everyone, I'm Finn, and today I'm building my first gaming computer in 2 years. Yeah, I know, this isn't the first gaming computer I've built. If you know me or have watched this channel, you'll know that's definitely not true. I've built like 8 gaming computers, 2 of which are even on this channel, like that one right there. But this is going to be the first gaming computer I've built for myself in 2 years. You see, back in 2017, I built my very first computer ever, and I filmed it and put it on this channel, and that computer was for myself. And ever since then, I've been building a lot of gaming computers, but none of them have been for myself. So now it's 2 years later, and it's time for me to finally build a gaming computer just for me. Now, first things first, let's go over the parts that I'm using for this computer. Now, for our CPU, I am using a Intel 9700K. It's an 8-core, 8-thread CPU. For RAM, I'm using 32 gigabytes of Trident Z RGB memory. And then for the graphics card, I'm using a RTX 2080 Ti. It's the best graphics card on the market, so obviously I'm going to be using it for this build. I know if you're a computer nerd like me, you'll notice that there is a few parts missing here. Mostly the power supply, and then I have a few other parts that I need to get, like the custom sleeve cables and some other lighting elements. But I don't have the money for that right now. I should in a few weeks, so when I do, I'll get those and I'll film a part 2 of this video. But for today, we are just installing the CPU, RAM, GPU onto the motherboard and putting that in the case. And the build is done. At least for now, I still need the new parts. So when I get them, I'll film the part 2, so be on the lookout for that. But until then, remember to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.